From data pipelines and model training to deployment and scaling, this guide covers everything you need to know. Get insights into the latest AI techniques transforming the fashion industry. This book is not a theoretical exploration. It is a practical, technical guide born directly from real-world experience. Over the course of a year and a half, I built and operated deepfashion.us, a fashion AI SaaS platform that successfully merged cutting-edge generative AI with commercial utility, and ultimately achieved a successful exit. What you'll find in these pages is the distilled blueprint of that journey, the strategies, technologies, and insights that made deepfashion.us work. The goal of this book is to equip fashion technologists, designers, and entrepreneurs with the tools and understanding needed to build their own fashion AI SaaS platforms. Drawing from the deepfashion.us experience, we go beyond surface-level tutorials and dive deep into the mechanics of deploying AI in the real world, starting with fine-tuning Stable Diffusion to align with specific brand aesthetics and seasonal design cues.